Hey guys, welcome to another episode of MSK Coding. In this episode, I will be showing the Python turtle graphics. What is it? Well, it is a drawing tool in Python. Tkinter is another one, but that is too complicated for a simple video like this. So how do we import it? Well, you can do from turtle import star. You can also do import turtle. The reason why I'm not doing that is because you always have to add a t equals turtle.pen or always do turtle dot whatever command you're using. So that's why I like doing it this way. And so the way to open up the window is by doing forward of 0. So that opens it in the background. Now we have the Python turtle graphics window open. And so we start off with this little cursor right here. The reason I did a forward of 0 is because that moves the arrow 0 pixels. If I do forward of, let's say, 50, it goes 50 pixels right here. And if you put an even bigger number, like 625, it goes off the screen. I tried it before. And the way to reset it is to just do reset. I can draw a square with this. So I can do forward of 50 here. And then I can do right of 90. What does right of 90 do though? Well, 90 represents 90 degrees, which is a right angle. What is an angle, you ask? Well, an angle is a shape confined by two rays that are sprouting from one vertex. So if I do a forward, again, of 50, it goes downwards. If I do right of 90, again, it goes there. Forward of 50, right of 90, and forward of 50 again. You can use FG and RT instead of forward and right, but I like putting it in forward form. So look, we have a square. You can also use a function to draw a square, and I will be showing that function now. We do def of square, then I do some s, which is side length. I can set I to 1. I can do while I is less than or equal, not 1, I is less than or equal to 4. I can do forward of s and right of 90, and then I equals I plus 1. And so then it stops, and now I can do square of 50 again. And it draws another square. This kind of looks like an 8 from a 7-segment display. And so that is a square with a nice function in